In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an engine air filter on your Volkswagen Passat. This will be located inside of the intake. Let's get started. Using a T15 bit, remove the 2 screws on either side of the intake boot. Do the same thing on the other side. Pull the boot back. Using a pair of pliers, pinch the clamp. Pull the clamp back. Lift straight up on the intake. Remove the engine cover / intake. Pull straight up. Pop it off of the grommets. Using a Phillips bit, we're going to remove the 5 screws on the back of our intake. Flip the cover up and over. Remove the old air filter. Install the new filter. Install the cover down into place. Snug down the bolts. Install the engine cover / air assembly into the vehicle. I'm going to get it started on this hose first, and then push my grommets down into place. Be sure you feel them all click in. Get the hose to sit flush. Pinch the clamp. Pull it back into place. Pull the intake boot over the trim. Be sure that it's sitting inside of the 2 tabs, and get the 2 screws started. Snug them down. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.